Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 600 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Then let's go to Language and Input and choose Language and Region at the top. Now let's tap on Add Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So all you need to do is to find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe this one. So just tap on it, and your device will ask you whether you really want to change the language. So just tap on this option on the right, Change. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied at the top. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly change them by reordering them. So just tap on English and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, your device will immediately apply new language. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Delete, mark the language that you want to remove, and tap on Remove, so the trash bin icon. Tap on OK. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.